Good morning. I am currently waiting for this 786 setup to hit. As you can see, we're about to touch it, but what I'm looking for really is these highs to get claimed over here, or at least tapped. Should tap it once we get the acceptance back below. Then I'm going to look for shorts, guys. Just entered short, guys. As you can see, we hit the 786 level as well as tapping this high here. So stop loss above the highs. See if we can start retracing back below the 786. See how low we can go. Currently risking 250 and I'm up 70. See how low we can go, guys. I don't know, we'll see, guys. Could target this POC, or we could even target the golden pocket where previous day point of control is, which I like the sound of more. We'll copy the price. Stop, put it there. Still in the trade, guys. Moving ever so slightly down. However, all in all, I am targeting lower levels. As you can see from this move up, got the 0.5 and the golden pocket. We also have the larger golden pocket. So that's a double golden pocket confluence. Also, to add more confluence, we've got previous day point of control right there. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Yeah, this would be a 1 to 4 if it hits. We are moving down a little bit. Think I should now move stop loss to break even. I'm currently up 500, 1 to 2. Was risking 250. If we break out of this, it could even be a fake out. To be honest, we could get a fake out and then come back lower. We'll see how it goes. So we got that break out of the trend line. Should be a rejection or fake out. We hit the 786, so we should hit the golden pocket. Maybe I shouldn't put stop loss to break even, just to risk half of what I risked initially. So now my stop loss is at them highs. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna eat, start getting to the gym, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, guys, so full TP has hit. These are today's trades. Not today's trade, sorry. Just the top one. You can see plus 1,000 from risking 250s. Price hit full TP at 1 to 4, and it took approximately 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour to hit full TP. So another good trade in the bag, guys. We got a nice 786 SFP tapping the highs. These highs here, that red line there. You can see them highs going across. We SFP'd it nicely. Yeah. I think I'm done for the day. Time to go gym. Alright guys, just seeing this going on. We're kind of in a rising wedge where we're forming bearish divergence. As you can see, lower highs on the RSI and higher highs on the price action. And if you do connect the highs, you can see we're in a little bit of a wedge structure. We're also above this support line, as you can see, connecting them two lows. We're kind of just bouncing off it right now, but if we start breaking down, that's a major short entry. You can see we formed this rising wedge, which we have actually broken out of. And you can, if you remember, I shorted right here off of the larger 786 retracement. I shorted. However, I did take full take profit just there. Now, I should have known, if I had known that this was a rising wedge, that we would have broken out of. Not only that, we had the bearish divergence, if you remember. Then I could have held this trade in speculation for the breakout of the trade, targeting the lows. Normally, you target the lows of a rising wedge. If I had held this trade, it would have been a 1 to 13. Oh, it would be if it hits full TP. So we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, man, next time in a situation like this, when you're shorting off 0.786, look for that larger move down, because if it was the 0.88, then you know we would come to the golden zone and then come claim the high. However, because it was the 786, that's a common second wave target. We can come as low as the 786, but once we hit the 0.88, then that high, the chances of that high getting claimed are increased. So because it was the 786, you can speculate on a larger move down, especially if we are forming a rising wedge, or at the very least, upwards trending support line. You could have even added to position on the bounce of this trend line. If we zoom in, you can see trend line from the top connecting all the highs. We did get a nice little fake out, like I said would happen. But overall, we did get below the 618, tapped that line to perfection, may I add, SFPing the golden zone, faking out of this trend line, and now we are falling. So I am gutted. Well, I'm not gutted actually, but you know, there's a lot of money here that was lost or missed out on. I missed out on, but that's not a problem because I took my trade, and yeah, it was a winning one, so I can't complain. As you can see, guys, a full TP would have got hit 1 to 13. Targeting the low got smashed 1 to 13. Look at that trade, guys. That's crazy stuff. If only, eh? If only.